Hi there, students. Canny. Okay, canny is an adjective. I guess cannily, the adverb. And canniness, more unusual, the noun for the quality. Okay, so, canny. Intelligent, clever, quick thinking. Especially when dealing with business or in finance. So to be a salesman, you need to be very canny. Yeah. Okay. Notice canny. The opposite of canny is not uncanny. They are no longer antonyms. Canny means clever or intelligent, whereas uncanny means strange or mysterious. Wee-oo. Yeah, there was an uncanny resemblance between the two. Yeah, it's got something that's really strange, supernatural, weird and mysterious. So uncanny is not the opposite of canny. Yeah, canny, careful, knowledgeable, astute, shrewd. He cannily knew how to get me to do what he wanted me to do. He made some very canny investments. Yeah. Okay. He's a very canny person. He knows what he's doing. Yeah. So knowing what to do, particularly in your own interests. A fox can be very canny if he's after the chickens. Okay, so canny, very shrewd. Yeah, a canny investor can find really good places to invest their money without a great deal of risk. So prudent as well, canny investments. Yeah. Notice a canny move. It was a very canny move by the opposition to do that. It was a very canny move by the government to wait for a few days. Yeah. Okay. So canny, intelligent. Yeah. Smart. A canny move. A smart thing to do. And then canny, a canny person, very clever, very able to think. Yeah, he was far too canny to be caught lying. Yeah, this was a very canny political maneuver. So sharp, shrewd, knowing what you're doing. Yeah, I guess Warren Buffett is a very canny investor. Yeah, he's very wary. He knows what he's doing. Notice this word canny. Let's see. In the North UK and in Scotland, it means fair, favourable, agreeable. Yeah, I've also heard this word canny used quite often by Geordies from Newcastle. Yeah, canny meaning good, nice, a general term of approval. Yeah, I've even heard something like gan canny, go well, may things be good for you. Yeah, but that's very Geordie, very Newcastle. Canny, smart, intelligent. Yeah, knowing what you're doing. Astute. Yeah, judicious. He was too canny to give himself away. Canny, formality. I think I'm going to give canny a 5 in formality. Use absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, it comes from, it's directly related to can, which actually comes from the Middle English verb cunnan or connan, meaning to be able to do, to know how to do. Yeah. So if you're canny, you know how to do things. So the origin's very clear. Okay, so I hope this was, I gave a canny explanation of this word. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Canny.